So there has been an extremely large increase or uptick in revenue officers who are the employees at the IRS charged with collecting back taxes, threatening to seize homes and seizing homes. If the problem gets bad enough and you do not work something out, there is the potential that your home, rental property, whatever, may be seized. This has been a phenomenon that has occurred over the last 6 months that are becoming much more aggressive. How this would basically work is the IRS determines that you're being uncooperative, whatever, you're refusing to pay them. They have to get permission from the district manager to seize the house. They then have to get a court order to seize the house, which is basically a rubber stamp in most cases if the IRS is going to that great length. And then the IRS will set a minimum bid on your house, which is never a good thing because that minimum bid tends to be at a minimum 40% less than the fair market value. So what that means is if you have a house worth $500,000, they're only going to sell it for $300,000, probably in a best case scenario. If you owe them $500,000, you may be better off if you sell the house as opposed to them selling the house. Now, if your house is eventually seized and sold, the good news is you still have some time. You do have a 30-day window to redeem the property where you can actually go back to the IRS, pay whatever it is that's owed, and get your house back. Now, obviously, in those cases, that's pretty rare because if you were able to do that, you probably would have nipped the seizure in the bud before it even got that far. So bottom line is you never want to get that far. You need to work with the IRS to resolve the problem so they don't seize your house.